Hi friends, we are going to do some fun things with zoo animals this week. Today I'm going to read you a really fun book called Count the Monkeys. Hey kids, it's time to count the monkeys. It's easy. All you have to do is turn the page and count the monkeys. Yikes! One king cobra has scared off all the monkeys. Turn the page very slowly and carefully so he doesn't notice us. Look, two mongooses have chased away that cobra. Or is that two mongooses? I'm pretty sure it's two mongooses. Let's vote. Raise your hand if you think it's a mongoose. Now raise your hand if you think it's a mongoose. Interesting. Turn the page. I bet the monkeys will come back. Uh-oh, 3 crocodiles frightened those mongooses. I dislike crocodiles, especially these crocodiles. Move your hand in a zigzag while you turn the page. It will confuse them. I never thought I would miss those crocodiles, but these 4 grizzly bears are even worse. We're never going to count the monkeys. Okay, put your arms above your head and make a loud roar. Roar! Bang together some pots and pans if you have them, but most importantly, turn the page. Oh no, 5 bee swarms drove off those bears. Bees can smell fear. You're not afraid, are you? Hum a happy tune and smile while you turn the page. La 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 la. 6 sweet old beekeepers have shooed off all those bears. Say thank you 6 times very politely. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. These ladies care about good manners. Now, finally, the monkeys can come back. Turn the page and count the monkeys. Oh no, 7 wolves has sent those old ladies packing. Wolves and grandmas never get along. This is very important. Don't look those wolves in the eyes. In fact, cover your eyes while you close the page, turn the page. Oh, good. 8 lumberjacks took care of those wolves. Thank you, guys. Now it's safe for the monkeys. Give each lumberjack a high five, then turn the page so we can count the monkeys. Still 8 lumberjacks, and they seem to be settling in. Don't they understand that we are trying to count the monkeys? Tell those guys to scram. Scram! Say it louder. Scram! Good. Let's turn the page. Great. 9 lumberjacks. They invited a friend. How are we going to get rid of them? Any ideas? Look at that. 10 polka-dotted rhinoceroses with bagpipes and bad breath. Cleared out those lumberjacks. Was that your idea? Because it wasn't mine. Okay, we're finally ready to... Oh no, it looks like we're out of pages. This is terrible. We made it to the end and there are 0 monkeys in this book. Now we'll never get to count the monkeys. But look, they're at the end. I really hope you enjoyed that book, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow with another fun story.